Welcome back to the channel. Here my girl DJ I'll be there live and direct. Yes, so today I'll be unboxing the DJI Osmo Action 4. So it's the brand new DJI Osmo Action 4 and it's the essential combo. So let's see what's in the box. Yeah, so let's see what then are the combo. You know what I mean? The essential combo. Yeah, so I go on. Got my little blade here as usual and thing. So I go on for it, you know. Take off the plastic. Alright. Yeah. So let's see what's inside the box. Pull here. So get down in it, you know. Alright. So this is a camera, and this is a DJI Action 4. And I guess the accessories are in the box right here. Let's see what else inside. Alright, so I also have the what this is. I think this is to set up the app. See, I must have for DJI users. Okay, and of course then put them sticker in it, the DJI stickers. Alright, so let's see what I'm gonna do. Alright, so this is the accessory box. Alright, so inside we have the case. Yeah, this is the cage. Nice cage here to go over the camera. So that's it. Everything all new. And they have the manuals here also. Put them to the side. Alright, so this one is not true. Come on. Alright, so this is it. Yes, so this is the camera. It come with the cover. Yeah, the plastic over here. So this is it. This is it. So I'm going to put it in the battery now. Alright, so this is the battery. And so let's see where the battery goes. Alright, so here's the battery go. And just slide in the battery like this. And it goes in. Yeah. Okay. And let's see. Alright, so turn it on right here. Let's see if it have any power. Alright, it's coming up, see? Alright, yes, so DJI there and things. So got a charger in it. You just put the USB Type-C charger inside, and also this screw here to get it on the tripod, and this is the adapter. So this is it, and then you mount this thing here. Yeah, open it up and screw it onto a tripod, something like that. So that one. So this is basically what you get inside the box, you know, the camera, the cage. So then put it inside the cage. Let's see. Yeah. So fit it inside of the cage just like this. Wait. Oh, kind of open it right here. So be careful, you know, kind of break nothing, you know. I guess I slide it in just like that, and then lock it up. And then this is magnet. You want to fit it on properly. Fit it on proper. Alright, so fit in proper. And sit here, you have the front screen, so if we turn it so, and you have this also. Then this now, you would screw it on like on a tripod, like a selfie stick. So this is what I'll be using with the DJI Action 4. Yeah, so these are the tripod, these are the selfie stick. Yeah man, so pull it and see what I'm going to feel. So I don't know, I think we're ready. Steer tape them. And then we'll pull it up. So I'll go in a box here. Go on box, pull up. So I'll go on. Seems like it's a solid one too, you know. Just from the box, you can just still say it's solid. And wood from a lovely presentation. It seems solid. Yes, it is really a solid one. Solid. Alright, so I'll go another little white paper, you know. It comes with its own screw. Yeah, this is the one that comes with the DJI, and this comes with this thing here. So screw this to the top. Alright, and then now you go like this. Yeah, ready for your road now. Hopefully them can match up. Screw it up. Okay. I'm gonna say, the hell if you can't screw it? I'm on mother road, you know, and then you can just ting. Yeah. And it's also a tripod. It have a little thing here which is open. So let's see. So open the foot them. And then nice selfie stick. Yeah, tripod. You're supposed to can extend, you know. Okay. That's how it go. Yes, I can extend out. Very tall. Come on. See? Tall. you know, maybe I'm not gonna need it so tall still. The boat. This good. Come on, so it work, you know? And then now can just open the foot then. Like this. Nice little camera. Tripod, nice. Yeah, man. So I'm big up on yourself again. Yeah, figure it out, you know? That is it. Sturdy. Big up small rig. Yeah, big up on yourself, small rig. Very nice. Yeah, man, very, very nice. Selfie stick here. Sturdy. Yeah, so big up each and everyone watching. Again, do remember if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. That is it. Yeah.